coffee hits me as I open up my eyes. A southern angel wearing nothing but an apron and a smile. I say thank you, sweet Lord Jesus, tell the truth, don't know how I got so lucky. All them boys from back in high school wonder how I'm still alive. Up by a bull, dove off a Blue Lake Bridge and wrecked my pickup twice. Then she picked this here country boy out of all them other guys. The boys, that's lucky. I got a couple buddies playing football in the pros, and I know this guy who owns a whole dang beach in Mexico. There's some with good looks, some with brains, some rolling in the dough. But y'all trust me, I'd rather be lucky. Now you can win the Powerball with 80 million in the pot. Didn't go all in with ace and king and hit a straight flush on the flop. Or you can sit here on the creek bank fishing with a girl that's hot. Now that's plain lucky. Yeah, my old college roommate, some big software CEO. My cousin benches 405 and flies his jets around. There's some with good looks, some with brains, some rolling in the dough. But y'all trust me, I'd rather be lucky. My baby's one in a million, fellas, and I tell you that's the truth. So while you're out searching for one that's sweet and smart and sexy too, I'll be home sipping a cold one for you. Here's to hoping you get lucky. I hope you get lucky. 'Cause they sing about the girl that I've got on the radio. She's a cross between the cover of an outdoor life and Vogue. There's folks that think they got it all, folks rolling in the dough. But y'all trust me,